reckless driving ticket.
I'd like to say something before we start. I have an objection to these proceedings under the Due Process Clause of the Fifth Amendment, given that I was never asked to sign a promise to appear. Therefore, I have made no legal agreement to participate in these proceedings.
Did you hand your license to the officer?
I did.
The officer scans your license. That serves as your notice because he gives you a copy of it. And it says right here, if you want to show me this one, it says right there on your ticket, I promise to appear at Norman Municipal Court, gives their address, all of that, blah, 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 blah. And then it puts your name down there because they sign I don't have my license with me, but they scan it and it goes into the system, it reads your name, and it puts your name into there.
I understand that. I don't
notice.
expect this objection to accomplish anything, but I still want it on the record. But essentially, I'm participating under protest and under duress. Is that understood?
Do you know the definition of duress? Do you know the definition of duress?
I do. Do you?
Are you an attorney?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Do you want to get one? You don't have to do anything today. Like you could get an attorney. We could just continue.
I am still considering whether to retain standby counsel before my trial date, but in no case will I revoke my right to counsel. But I have not decided whether I would like to represent myself or not.
So are you just wanting to plead not guilty today?
I am.
Okay. When the judge calls you up, that's when you can do your formal plea. Okay. He may or may not ask you to post a bond. That's within his discretion.
Okay.
I'm trying to think if there's anything else I should tell you. It's usually plans if the trial's about a month out to give you time, to give us time. We, with the holidays coming up, they'll be out a little bit further. And, of course, you can bring any evidence or anything else that you want to bring. If you do get counsel, and your counsel will know this also, they'll need to enter an entrance of appearance to represent you on your behalf. We'll have a trial after a regular disposition docket, just like this one, if it's a just jury trial. And then if you elect to have a jury trial, then it'll be set on a jury term. And those happen a little bit later. I think we're setting them in February right now. But you do have options for a jury trial because this does carry potential of jail time.
Am I being charged under the city ordinance or the Title 47?
Okay, that's okay.
The
You're one
city
I talk to since Grace is our intern. I'll be able to help you a little better. Do you mind? Since I'm the lead prosecutor, Grace is the intern, and I can help you answer questions a little better than Grace can.
No, I don't know.
So
explain to him that he's eligible for jury and judge. Explain to him that he can bring evidence.
What's the ticket?
Yes.
Yes. Are you clean today? Stephen? I mean, today's your arraignment. You have to plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest. If you enter a plea of not guilty, you have an option of a jury or a judge trial because the fine goes up to $750 and there's a possibility of jail time.
And that was my question. Under the city municipal code, it looked like there was a maximum sentence of a fine. It's only if you're being charged under Title 47 of the state statute that it carries a jail sentence.
Title 11 allows us to, have certain ordinances. So you are eligible to be up to $750. If you have questions about it, those are other legal questions. Perhaps you need to get your own legal counsel. But yes, we are able to fine people up to $750. And if it's that or jail time, then you're eligible for jury trial.
Interesting.
He did have a question about
when the judge comes in, he's going to tell you can't have that camera in court.
He
I'll
had a
speak with him
question.
about it then.
Okay, but I mean, it's his courtroom, so this is another thing. So, but if you want to, if today you'd be eligible with the plea of no contest or guilty for a deferred sentence. I don't think you've had any other tickets, right?
I will not take a plea deal under any circumstances.
Okay, then you'll just need to enter. Then all you'll need to do is go before the judge, and he'll say, "How do you want to plead?"
Okay.
And if you say not guilty, you get the option of a jury or a judge trial.
Okay.
And the judge would be one of the 4 judges that we have. It depends on when the date gets set.
Okay.
And then we have 2 jury dockets a year. I believe. I think our next one's in. You'll have to ask the clerk. I can't recall.
I think it's in February. I'm not 100% sure.
And then at that time you'd be eligible for a jury trial.
Okay.
But we will chat with you before then on the jury trial, and I get a little more time to spend with them. I'll talk to the officers. We'll talk to you. So
Okay.
And then if you have any more questions, you're certainly able to come talk to me in our city attorney's office, or you might want to hire your own counsel.
Can you tell me anything about what the process is for obtaining a subpoena? There's
No, that, I can't give you legal advice. You have
Okay.
to do that on your own,
All
or
right.
get, but if we have a trial and there's a police officer involved or witnesses listed, we subpoena them.
Okay.
So we would.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, they'll be here.
We'll
Oh,
subpoena
okay.
that police officer.
It was a witness of my own I wanted to subpoena. I assume I have to do that. And
Right,
also
yeah,
a piece of evidence
right,
that I don't
you
think
can
is
figure that
available
out,
through the
and
Freedom of
sometimes the
Information
clerks
Act.
can help you on that. It may be worth your time talking to an attorney. I'm not sure, I don't mind you recording, I don't know why, but I'm happy to help.
Just an objective record I can refer back to later.
That makes sense. Okay. So the judge will call you up in just a bit.
Okay.
And
He may require a bond be posted, though.
Okay.
I explained to him because he brought up that he didn't sign anything to be put on notice, and explained to him how the driver's license
Right,
works.
that's the.
I realize that there's something on there that's a facsimile of my signature, but it's still
Well-
there without my consent.
No.
And that was the basis
No,
of
when
my
you
objection.
get your driver's license, and you sign it on there, and there's that little, if you look at the back of your driver's license now, all that information is populated in, and so when you sign that, you're effectively.
Signing any
And when you
future
sign
tickets.
it, you're not admitting or denying guilt, you're just promising to appear, which is what you fulfilled today.
I realize that, and it was just still important to me that that objection be on the objective record.
Well, there is no record. We're a
There
court
is for
not-
me.
Yeah, but we're a court, not a record. So, if you were found guilty, then you would appeal de novo to the district court, and then that would be of record. Because we're not a court of record, we just don't jump to the court of criminal appeals. But the signature on your driver's license, when you get your driver's license, and then it's in that little funny black strip on the back of your driver's license now, then you're effectively using that signature to populate in, and you've given your consent when you got your driver's license.
Yeah, I know all the things they say you agree to when you get a driver's license.
But I mean, I know some people worry that, I don't want to plead guilty. You're just saying, hey, I
I
promise
know.
to show up, and you fulfilled that obligation without any trouble, so that won't be a big deal. All right, Stephen, go ahead and have a seat.
All right, and what exactly do I do from here?
Have a seat back here and wait for the judge to give you
The
a
only
call.
reason I asked you is because I just didn't want you to use the word out of context, and they didn't have
The reason I use that word in this context is that I assume that if I, on that basis, if I were to say, refuse to go further in these proceedings, that I would be subject to either arrest or the forfeiture of my license or both. And given that it would result in what I saw as an assault on my person, I was agreeing to go further under duress on those grounds.
On the,
Given what I saw as
Did I miss
possible
something?
consequences.
He just said that he was here under arrest. Under duress.
oh, no, no.
And I said, I don't think you
No,
are, sir.
no, but if you have those concerns, you can certainly file whatever you want with the judge. It sounds like you may want to consult an attorney. Unless you're a lawyer. Sometimes I've said that, when I said that to one lawyer one time, because I knew a lawyer, I go, oh, I didn't ask. So you may already be a lawyer, I don't know.
I am not. Sergeant McCain told me he was surprised I wasn't studying law.
Oh, well, maybe you should. It's not my business. I don't need to ask you all that stuff. I was just gonna be chatting with you. So go ahead and have a seat, Steve.